Hey world, this is that light I bought. Used it. When you use it on high though, it doesn't last very long. So far I'm not real happy with this light. But I'm just getting this screwdriver right now, $7.97 for 11-in-1. Only thing I can see about this is that it doesn't have a place to store all the bits. So I think you can probably store these 4 in the front and the back. We'll see. But that would it's kind of stupid if you can't store all these bits in the thing. But if I can store at least these, I'll be happy. Milwaukee could have made this better by hollowing out that handle. Made it lighter too. Drill it out, put a cap on it, screw on cap. It would have made a better product. Then you could put different bits in there. Little tip for you, Milwaukee. You could do that. Also these, $3.97 for a multi-screwdriver. Getting those too. So that's pretty cool. This is a, what is that, 6-in-1? Yeah, it's 6-in-1. So you got, and that all stores the tips, everything in one. Like those. Just for quick go-ins. Getting this. Looks like they're all getting set up for Father's Day. It's the 10th of June. So, yeah. Husky, they got all some interesting Husky bags going on here. So we got the Milwaukee most versatile job site organizer at 19 bucks. And then we got the rigid case that I did a video on the other day. It's 29 bucks. And what I'm wondering is, do they play nice? Like, do the containers, they kind of fit, but they kind of don't. That kind of sucks. I wonder what, yeah, they're not like standardizing, or Milwaukee and rigid aren't playing nice. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. But they kind of are. They, see if you can do this. Not really, no. They don't work. You can't put a, no, you can't. But the height-wise is okay, I would think. So the height, it'll definitely close, but you gotta, oh, they've changed this case, I think. This used to be not indented so much. I thought my case was flat across here. I'm thinking, yeah, so that wouldn't be good. You put the part containers in the middle there, you're gonna be screwed. You're gonna have screws everywhere. Unless you got really big stuff in there. But yeah, well, that kind of sucks. Rigid kind of blew it, I think, on that. I don't know what they're thinking. Trying to save money on plastic. That sucks that they didn't make this thing go all the way across anymore. Pretty sure mine goes all the way across. Wow. Hey guys, I got the $99 deal here. Thinking of switching over to the from my 18-volt Ryobi to a 12-volt Milwaukee. See if it's lighter. I think it will be. I could go to this one, 12-volt. What do you think? Let me know. Oh, it's a pretty damn good deal. This is like they usually get. This is Father's Day. Looks like they're lining up. So you get 99 bucks for, looks like charger, 2 batteries, and then 2 drills for 99 bucks. Smoking deal. As long as it's got the batteries. This has been opened, but I wonder is this brushless or not? Anybody that knows anything about tools, let me know. Oh. Well, here's a little rundown on the opened up the Milwaukee. It's 11-in-1, and it actually does store all the bits inside. I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't notice this. It's interesting, but this little piece that all the bits are stored in, it's kind of heavy. That's for sure. Because it's got this is how they're doing it. They're doing it like this and like that with different size pieces. This piece is like 1/4 inch, and this piece is like right 5/16, and that's probably like 3/8, and that's probably, yeah, like, I don't know what these different sizes are. Maybe it says on the thing. I think it does. The holes. Yeah, 1/4, 5/16, and that's everything that's in it. So you got the bits are P1, P2, 3/16 and 1/4, Torx and SQ, and then you have the square. The 1/4, 5/16 and 3/8 are going to be this part. So that's going to be 3/8. That's going to be 5/16, and then one of these are going to be 1/4 inch that hold the bits. As the bits are interchangeable. Doesn't matter on this thing, but yeah. So this thing's pretty heavy. But yeah, and the handle's good. I'm going to probably take out these bits just to reduce weight, because I'll never use, I can't get it out. There we go. Because I'll never use that, I don't think, on anything refrigeration wise or air conditioning. I don't think we have any screws that are Torx or square. Might as well not even carry that for the weight. Just stick these in. I could always put different bits in here if I want to, because that's 1/4 inch. You could put another Phillips in there just in case you break. I've snapped off Phillips heads before. Put another P2 in there, or whatever you want. You could change it up, whatever you wanted to put in there. Or number 3. Probably I'd use a number 3. Yeah, I could do that. Throw a number 3 in there. That'd be something I could use. You could change it up. So that's a cool way to go. And then load that thing up like that. Pretty cool. Definitely a comfortable handle. You would expect that from Milwaukee, you know. It's got a little bit rubberized. This is kind of rubberized, and so yeah, so definitely if you're gonna compare the comfort level, definitely a little bit more comfort if you're going to be using this a lot during the day. But like I said, I wouldn't be using I don't use these a lot. I would just put these in my initial go bag if you need to just your initial call-in bag, you know. So I might get one of those little drill. I've noticed they have a Milwaukee drill in there, a little battery powered one. That I'll have to see. A little screwdriver, like a 4-volt screwdriver. If any of you guys have used the 4-volt screwdriver, electric screwdriver, Milwaukee, let me know how you like it, or if it would work for taking off panels, you know, or that kind, just for taking off panels, basically on air conditioning and refrigeration units, you know, like on heatcraft units and stuff. It doesn't need much power at all, but this is definitely a good deal. $4 for the screwdriver if you want a 6-in-1. This is pretty cool. So you got a P1 and a P2, Phillips 1, Phillips 2, and then you got a straight 1 and a straight. You're gonna have a standard number 2 on the other side. Yeah, standard number 2. And then this part's gonna be, you could just, no, they're different. So you got 1/4 inch, you got 1/4 inch on one end and 5/16 on the other, because these are definitely not interchangeable. Yeah, because if I take that one in there, see, she's all flopping around in there, so that ain't gonna fly. So, yeah, different sizes, so that's cool. I like that. So you got 2, 4, 6. You get 6-in-1, which is sweet. I don't know why they don't standardize this too. This might be standardized. They should make this like a 7, like the 7th one. That should be like 3/8 or the next size up from 3/8. You know, that would be cool. But anyways, that's cool. Click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks.